In this video, I'll guide you through how to downgrade your Jotform plan. If you've been on a paid subscription and you're looking to move to a lower tier or back to the free plan, the process is actually quite simple once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through each step, explain what you're seeing on the screen, and share a few tips so you feel confident about changing your plan. First, open your browser and go to the Jotform website. Type the address into the address bar and press enter. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Jotform account, especially if you manage more than one. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and enter your usual login details and sign in. Once you're on the main Jotform dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile area, which is usually shown as your avatar, initials, or a small profile picture. Click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that gives you access to various account-related options. In that menu, look for the option labeled Settings. This is where you can manage most of your personal and account level preferences. Click on Settings. You'll be taken to a new page that has several tabs or sections along the side or across the top, depending on Jotform's current layout. Next, you'll want to open your Account section. On the Settings page, find the option that says Account. Click on that. This section is where Jotform displays details about your current subscription, your usage, and your plan type. It's the main place where you can review what kind of plan you're on and make any changes. Once you're in the Account area, look for the part that shows your account type or plan. Here you'll see whether you're on a free plan, a paid plan, or a higher tier. If you're currently using any kind of paid or upgraded plan, this is where the downgrade options will appear. Take a moment to confirm that this is the account and plan you actually want to change, especially if you manage Jotform for a team or an organization. When you're viewing your current plan details, you should see options like cancel subscription or downgrade account. The exact wording can vary slightly over time, but they'll be clearly related to changing or canceling your paid plan. Click the option that matches what you want to do. If you want to move down to a free plan, that's usually done through the cancel or downgrade button here. After you click to cancel or downgrade, Jotform may show a confirmation screen, explain what features you'll lose, or ask you to confirm the change one more time. Read any messages carefully, just in case there are limits or important notes about form counts, storage, or submission caps on the lower plan. Once you confirm, your account will be set to downgrade according to Jotform's billing cycle, usually at the end of your current period. And that's it. You've navigated from the Jotform homepage to your profile, opened your settings, gone into the account area, and found the option to cancel or downgrade your subscription.